So let's kick off with your crochet. What I want you to do is wrap the yarn around your finger in a little clockwise position and then bring it over your forefinger. So that's your hand in position. So now we're going to crochet. So find the back of your hat on the flat, it's where the seam is, or where it's on the round, just choose a part. So to kick things off, I want you to stick your hook in, wrap your yarn around your hand and pull through. Again, let's do that again. Put your hook in and wrap your yarn through, and it looks like a little bit like anti-clockwise. Then I want you to pull and do one chain. We're going to go in then to the next slot, so stick your hook into that slot, wrap your yarn around and pull through, and then wrap your yarn around and pull through again. That's your single crochet stitch. Then we're going to miss a slot, and then you're going to go in, so that's your next slot, then go into the next one and pull through and pull through again. Go in, miss the next one, go into the second one, wrap the yarn around, pull through, and wrap the yarn around again and pull through. Miss the next slot, again, stick it in, wrap the yarn around, pull through, wrap it around again and pull through again, and continue that until you get back round to this position here, and then we'll secure it. So now we're coming to the end, and I want you to get your hook underneath that first chain. Now sometimes what I do is I just make sure that I have a really good position on how to get my hook in. So take the other part of your hook if you have got it and stick it through to just open in that little slot a little bit, and then what you do is just stick your hook in and just pull through and pull through again. No need to wrap the yarn around this time, but pull through again, and then all you have to do then is snip it. So now we just need to finish this off. So just snip, after you've snipped it, just bring that through and then secure it in a nice flat position. I haven't really got it that well there. And then thread through the yarn into your darner and just secure it underneath there. So turning that round, just make sure that it's all nice and secure. I tend to go back up the seam if you've got one and just secure it there, and then snip it, and then tidy up that other end, and then you're nearly done. So here you go. So just bring that through and then snip it like that.